Guys, Eric here with LaserCraftWorks. You're gonna have trouble seeing me in this video because I'm filming something in a rather large box, but obviously you're more interested in what's in the box than what I've got to say. So before we get started, this is the xTool O1 Omni printer. I'm a beta tester, so I am going to be unboxing this to show you guys what is included when you get the box. Delivery went well. There's a little hole right here. I was concerned about it, but it looks like there's protective padding inside there. So without too much chatting beforehand, let's go ahead and dig into it. Got some large green straps. I'm sure if you're used to xTool products, it's something you've seen before. So this is how the apparel printers come and most of the larger things that come on a pallet. This came just through UPS, so it wasn't a truck delivery. The weight on the package says 23 kilograms. So just times that by 2.2 to get the actual weight of the product. And that's the shipping weight, of course. So any packaging materials and everything is going to be extra. Get this off of here. Need to get the straps out. And I think this box is just going to actually lift up. So just try to get all the packaging material out of the way that I can. I'm just going to kind of toss this top box when I get it. Okay, let's see which way this goes. I might have to turn things around here, so. Okay, so external packaging is gone. Looks like we've got a piece of cardboard over the top here. Let me get rid of that. So we've got our mini base plate. So this is the small base plate. This is gonna go, well, it's just the sticker that goes on top of it. So this is gonna be a sticky mat. And then we've got a pack of the standard base plates. So this is obviously the larger base plate. Next up looks like it's actually going to be the base plate itself. So here's the base plate. Looks like it locks on. We've got two things that help it lock onto the bed, so it's gonna stay nice and sturdy while it's up there. We've got some instruction manuals. This appears to be all safety information in this one, so you can read through that at your own leisure. We've got a quick start guide. So the quick start guide is gonna be everything you need to know to get up and running. Looks like you can scan the QR code to get into multiple languages, and it's just gonna show you everything that's in the box and instructions on just getting set up. So nice that they include that. Piece of foam. Large piece of foam here. Looks like they've done a very good job packaging this printer. Okay, so we've got some more protective coating. All right, and here is the printer itself. Let me see if I can, looks like I need to kind of lift this off of here and just shove this box out of the way. This is not a real light thing, so let me take it out of this packaging first so I can get a good grip on it. And then once I can get a good grip on it, we'll just shove this bottom box out of the way. Okay. See if I can get my fingers under it here. Okay. So I believe the front of the machine is facing you. So let's get to taking all this packing material off. Start in the back here, we've got some tape. I'm just gonna kind of use the box as a trash can right now. Okay. Some protective film in the back where the ink goes. Again, don't mind the noise. I'm sorry, I don't have time to edit the audio on this, so. If I find time, maybe I'll do a voiceover instead of having all the unboxing noise, but I doubt it. Okay. They were very aggressive about making sure that this thing didn't open up during shipment, which is a good thing. I'm not complaining. I believe once we open it up, we're going to have some goodies inside. So I'm curious to see what's packaged inside of it. Okay, and while I'm doing this, I'll show you what I'm seeing. I'll just take the doors off as I'm getting them unboxed. So on the left side of the machine, this is where the filter goes. So filter, and then in the back you've also got an exhaust port. And on the right side of the machine, this is where your waste tank is going to go, and since this is the dual UV version, 2 moisturizing tanks are going to go there. Try to get some of the rest of this tape off so I can show you guys inside of the machine here. Okay, so if we open up the machine, what we've got on the very top is your mini base plate. So this is your small base plate. And with this one, you're able to close both doors of the printer. And by using this one, you're able to use a little bit better filtration system, because obviously smells and any VOCs aren't going to get out with the doors closed. So in this box, this is an interesting box. So we've got a filter. This is the filter that goes in the side. We've got moisturizing tank, waste tanks. Got some safety glasses, some syringes. You're going to need these syringes to prime the printer. Some cleaning swabs, so that's all useful stuff. All right, and then the bread and butter. We have all of our inks. So we've got rigid white, flexible white, white, varnish, fluorescent red, fluorescent yellow, K, which is black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. So there's all of our inks. I think I'll stop the video right here, and we will do an actual setup video next. So I'll make this 2 different videos. This video is just the unboxing to see the contents that come with the machine. And then the next video we'll actually do a setup. We do have one more box here. And I don't think there's anything in it. I think it's actually just protecting the print head. So I'm going to leave that in place for now. But yeah, that is the O1 Omni by xTool. This is an unboxing video. So the next video you see me in, we will be doing setup with it. So thanks for watching. Bye.